Okay, let's talk about taking back control. I'm talking about control over your car's health, and maybe even more importantly, control over your own wallet. Today, we're going to master that dashboard.
You know the feeling, right? You're just cruising down the road, music's on, everything's great, and then, bam, that little yellow check engine light pops up out of nowhere.
I mean, it is a total gut punch. 1 second you're fine, the next your mind is just racing. Is the car about to die on me right here in the middle of traffic? How much is this going to set me back? It's just this awful, helpless feeling.
Yeah, that's where your head goes. You just get this sinking feeling that you're about to hand over a bunch of your hard-earned cash, and you don't even know why yet, all because of one little light.
But what if I told you there's a secret, a whole category of tools that, let's be honest, some mechanics really don't want you to know about? And why is that? Well, because these little gadgets completely shift the power from them back to you.
That's right. These tools let you speak your car's language. You can understand exactly what's wrong, and you can protect yourself from getting ripped off or paying for repairs you don't even need. So today, we're going to walk through 5 of the absolute best ones out there.
So let's dive right in. We're counting down our top 5, all the way from the super simple to the seriously pro-level stuff. These are the tools that are going to give you the confidence to face that little yellow light and win.
All right, coming in at number 5, we've got a tool that is all about one thing: simplicity.
This is the Ansel AD310. Look, if you hate dealing with complicated tech and you just want a straight answer for like $20, this thing is going to be your new best friend. Seriously.
And its biggest feature really is how simple it is. There's no app to download, you never have to charge it. You literally just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, you know, that little plug that's been in every car since 1996, and it just wakes up ready to tell you what's going on.
And one of its coolest features is what you're seeing here: freeze frame. You ever have one of those annoying problems that only seems to happen at a specific speed, or maybe when you're going up a certain hill? Well, this feature takes a snapshot of everything: your speed, the engine temp, you name it, at the exact moment the error happened. So no more guessing games.
Okay, let's move on up to our number 4 spot and see how we can build on that.
Meet the Foxwell NT301. For less than $50, this thing's superpower is catching problems before the check engine light even has a chance to turn on. It's for those times when you just feel like something is a little off with your car.
And it does that with something called live data. Think of it like watching an EKG for your car. You can literally watch the data from your oxygen sensors or your temperature sensors reporting in real time. So if a sensor is getting, lazy or just isn't telling the truth, you'll see it right here, way before it starts causing bigger problems and costing you money on gas.
All right, now we're stepping up our game. We're crossing into some seriously powerful, almost professional-grade territory. This is for the really dedicated DIYer.
This is the Autel MK808. It's a tough, fast, Android-based tablet that does way more than just read engine codes. Now we're talking a bigger investment here, usually a few $100s, but that's because this thing communicates with pretty much every single computer in your vehicle.
So what really sets us apart is its bi-directional control. You see, a basic scanner just listens to your car. This one, it talks back. So instead of just wondering if your cooling fan is working, you can literally press a button on this tablet and command the car to turn the fan on. For diagnosing stuff yourself, that is an absolute game changer.
Let's check out number 2. This one takes a totally different approach. It uses the insane power of your smartphone and big data.
Meet the Blue Driver. This usually goes for around $100, and it's this legendary little sensor that you plug into your car and then pair with an app on your phone. It's so simple to use, but don't let that fool you, because what it does is incredibly powerful. Here's the magic. It doesn't just give you some cryptic code like P0420 and then leave you to go Google it. No, it takes that code, checks it against this massive database of millions of real, verified repairs, and then it tells you the absolute most likely fix for your specific make and model. It often even points you to the exact part you need to buy. It just takes all the guesswork out of it.
And that brings us to our number 1 pick. This is the ultimate weapon in your fight against those insane dealership repair bills.
This right here is the Innova 5610. You're looking at around $150 to $200, but for that price, this tool brings real, dealership-level diagnostic power right into your own garage. This thing is an absolute monster for figuring out those really complex problems.
And this quote sums up its power perfectly. Let's say you think your fuel pump might be failing. Normally, that's a huge pain to diagnose. With this tool, you just press a button and command the pump to turn on. You can actually hear it working.
That kind of full bidirectional control can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in diagnostic fees alone. So, you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds really cool, but maybe a little complicated. Well, let me tell you, getting started is actually the easiest part of the whole process.
I mean, it really is this simple. Step 1, find the port. It's almost always under the driver's side dashboard. Step 2, plug the tool in. Step 3, turn your key to the on position, but don't actually start the engine. And that's it. You are ready to scan.
So, what does this all really mean? What's the big takeaway here? It means you get to reclaim your power.
The bottom line is this. You do not have to live in fear of that check engine light anymore. The right tool gives you the right power. If you just want to know what the code is, the simple little Ansel is all you need. If you want to spot problems before they even start, the Foxwell with its live data is perfect. If you want the power of 1,000,000 mechanics in your pocket, then Blue Driver is the answer. And if you're a serious DIYer who is ready to save thousands, the bidirectional power of something like the Auditel or the Sanuva is worth every single penny.
But hey, I want to hear from you. What's the wildest, most ridiculously expensive quote a mechanic has ever given you for something that turned out to be a simple fix? Go ahead and drop those stories in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Stay safe, and remember, you've got this.